Hello students, in the last lecture we have studied the important features of solid catalysis, and in it we have studied how the formation of product in a chemical reaction depends on the selectivity of catalyst. Secondly, we have studied the shape selectivity of the zeolites, as well as we have studied the catalytic selectivity in the last lecture. Today we have to study classification or types of colloids. Also, colloids or colloidal solution. About the introductory point about colloidal solution, last time we have studied, that is, colloidal solutions are the solutions in which size of particles present in solution are larger than that of the true solution, that is 2 to 500 nanometer size of the solute particles present in colloidal solution. And some of the examples of colloidal solutions which we are using in our daily life, that also we have studied. Colloidal solution consists of two phases, dispersed phase and dispersion medium. Dispersed phase is a substance which is spread, dispersed in another substance, and dispersion medium means substance in which the another substance is dispersed, or in which that is the solution, colloidal solution is prepared, in which the colloidal solution is prepared. So that we have studied in the last lecture. Today we have to study types of colloids based on physical state, as well as classification of colloids on the basis of interaction between the phases of dispersed phase and dispersion medium, that we have to study. So you see, we have to study the types of colloids on the basis of the physical state of dispersed phase, dispersion medium, what is the type of that colloid or name of that colloid, and that type of the examples of colloids here we have to study. First type of colloidal solution, that is solid is dispersed in solid. This type of colloidal solutions are called as solid sols. They are called as the solid sols. Example, James. That is nothing but the example of solid in solid type of colloidal solution, James. Then colored glasses. Colored glasses are examples of this, as well as paper, solid in solid type of colloidal solution. Here these are colloidal solutions, so alloy are not this type of solution. No doubt they are solid in solid, but they are true solutions. So first type of colloidal solution, solid in solid, they are known as solid sols. Colored glasses, gemstones, paper are example of this type of the colloidal solution. Then second type of colloidal solutions are solid in liquid. Solid in what, that is the liquid, or we will take this one, that is liquid in solid. Liquid in solid type of solutions are called as gels. Means here liquid is less amount and solid is present in more amount. So liquid in solid type of colloidal solutions are called as gel. For example, curd, then what, that is the butter, jams, jelly are examples of this type of colloidal solution. You know that in curd more solid and less liquid is there, In butter also, solid is more, liquid is less. In jam and jelly also, so they are liquid in solid type of colloidal solution, and liquid in solid type of colloidal solutions are called as the gels. They are called as the gels. Then see the third type of colloidal solution, that is the gas in solid. Gas in solid. This type of colloidal solutions are called as solid foam. They are solid foam. Gas is dispersed in solid. Rubber sponge. Then pumic stone are example of this. Rubber sponge is porous. So if it is porous, so what will be spread in it? Air. Air is spread in it. So gas is dispersed in solid. That is the solid foam. Foam, rubber sponge, pumic stone are example. Pumic stone यानी क्या? सच्छिद्र स्टोन, उसे that is the porous stone, उसमें air होती है, so gas is dispersed in solid. And these three type of solutions are the solid or semi-solid solutions. That is, the solid in solid type of solution, solid sols. Liquid in solid type of solutions are gels. Gas in solid type of solutions are solid foams. Next type of solutions, that is the fourth type of solution, liquid in liquid type of solution. Liquid in liquid type of solution are called as emulsion. So emulsion, oil in water, water in oil, cod liver oil. So all these are examples of this type of solution. Milk is an emulsion in which liquid fats are dispersed in water. That is, the liquid in liquid type of solutions are called as the emulsions, and these are the examples of emulsions. Next type of solutions, that is the solid in liquid. Solid in liquids are called as sols. Solid in liquid solutions are known as sols. Many examples are there. Gum, then what, that is the starch solution are example of this. Solid is dispersed in liquid, means this solution is liquid. Gum solution, starch solution, colloidal sulfur solution, metal sols also are example of this type of colloidal solution. Metal sols also. Then another type of solution is gas in liquid. Gas in liquid type of solution. So gas in liquid type of solutions are nothing but the foam. Example, oxygen, carbon dioxide gas in water, or aerated waters. Aerated water म्हणजे the bottles of cold drink in which the carbon dioxide is dissolved in that cold drink under the pressure. When we open that cold drink cap of bottle, then effervescence of carbon dioxide gas takes place. So gas in liquid, that is nothing but the foam, and these foams are nothing but example of CO2 passed in water. Then another example, that is the soap leather also. It is dissolved what that is the soap leather, whipped cream are examples of this type of the colloidal solution. Shaving cream also foam, that is example of this type of solution. And these three type of solutions are liquid solutions. These are the liquid solutions. liquid in liquid emulsion, solid in liquid sols, then gas in liquid foam. Next or another two type of solutions are there, that is nothing but the solid in gas. Solid in gas. They are called as aerosols. Solid aerosols. They are what, that is the solid aerosols. Aerosols. Now the examples of solid aerosols: dust, smoke in air contains the large number of carbon particles. Large number of carbon particles in air. So that is nothing but the solid in gas type of colloidal system. Another type of colloidal system is what, that is the liquid in gas. Liquid in gas. These are liquid aerosols. Liquid aerosols. So these liquid aerosols are nothing but what, that is the mist, fog, clouds are example of this. Mist, liquid droplets are present in the air. Clouds, बादल, so उसमें liquid water is present and it is present in air. So that is the liquid in air. That is nothing but the different examples and the various type of colloidal solutions. So here what, that is the another some points here you have to remember that there are 8 type of colloidal system and one type of colloidal system does not exist. Which type of colloidal system does not exist? That is the gas in gas type of colloidal system does not exist. Gas in gas type of system is only true solution, because gas in gas form homogeneous mixture, it is not colloidal, it is always true solution. It is the classification of colloidal solutions based on physical state of dispersed phase and physical state of dispersion medium, that is solid in solid, liquid in solid, gas in solid. These 3 solutions are look like solid. Liquid in liquid called as emulsion, solid in liquids are sol, gas in liquids are foam, then solid in liquid, that is solid in gas aerosols, and what, that is the liquid in gas also called as the liquid aerosols. They are called as the liquid aerosols. So this is the classification of colloidal solutions on the basis of the physical state of dispersed phase and physical state of dispersion medium. And here also you have to remember, learn and remember the name of that solution, types of that solution. Now some of the examples of colloidal solutions here we have to study. That is nothing but the examples here. Blue color of the sky. Blue color of the sky is due to the colloidal size, dust particles present in the air. So that colloidal size, dust particles and moisture also present in the air, and they scatter the blue color light, and therefore the sky appears blue color. This is due to the colloidal solution. It is due to the colloidal solution. Another example of colloidal solution, it is nothing but what, that is the blood. Blood is colloidal solution. Blood is what, that is the emulsion. Blood plasma is what, that is the emulsion. Dispersion of plasma proteins and antibodies in water. So that is nothing but the blood is a colloidal solution. Next type of example of colloidal solution, it is nothing but the soils. Soils also, यानी क्या, मिट्टी. So it absorbs the moisture and it forms liquid in solid type of the colloidal solution that absorb the moisture. It forms what that is the in nature where humus act as a protective colloid. Soil absorbs the moisture. Soil absorbs the moisture and it forms liquid in solid type of colloidal solution. It forms liquid in solid type of colloidal solution. As well as one more example, that is the fog, then mist, also what that is the clouds are example of colloidal solution that we have studied here. Liquid in gas type of colloidal solution. Mist, fog, clouds are liquid in gas type of colloidal solution. Mist यानी क्या दव बिंदु. So that droplets of water present in the air, liquid in gas. Clouds contains the water that is also present in the air. Fog also contains the liquid droplets spread in the air. So these are nothing but the examples of what that is the colloidal solution. Now one example I am telling to you, roti. Roti is prepared by adding the liquid water in that solid flour. So solid is more and liquid is less. So it is liquid in solid type of solution. Means roti is example of the gel. Roti is example of the gel. Pudding also example of gel. Now you think in this way, wood polish, not liquid. Actually that wood polish, liquid is less and solid is more. Therefore we can take it on brush and we are polishing the shoes. So that wood polish is also example of what that is the gel. Toothpaste also, we can conveniently take that paste on the brush and we are brushing, right? Toothbrush. So toothpaste. So it is also gel because liquid is less and solid is more. So you don't forget this classification or types of colloidal solutions on the basis of physical state of dispersed phase and physical state of dispersion medium. And now we are to study second one point, that is classification of colloids based on interaction or affinity of the phases. Means between dispersed phase and dispersion medium. Dispersed phase and dispersion medium. What type of interaction is present? Whether the interaction is there, interaction is not there, or weak interaction is there, on that basis the colloidal solutions are of two types. Two types of colloidal solutions are there. Lyophilic colloids, and later we will study the lyophobic colloids. So what are the lyophilic? Here lyo means solvent, and philic means attraction. Lyo means solvent, philic means attraction. So lyophilic म्हणजे solvent loving, solvent attracting, or the solvent loving. So here see what that is the, these are the colloidal solutions in which there is greater affinity of the dispersed phase to the dispersion medium, to the solvent. So solvent loving salts are called as the lyophilic salts or the lyophilic colloids. They are lyophilic sols or the lyophilic colloids. Here these are reversible sols or reversible colloids. Reversible colloids, they cannot easily coagulated. They cannot easily coagulated, that is they are stable. They are stable, that is nothing but the lyophilic colloid. These sols or these colloids are stable, they are reversible. What is meant by reversible? That is once the sol or colloidal solution is coagulated, then again it converted into colloidal solution by adding the medium in it. अगर वो colloidal solution ड्राई हो गया, कोएगुलेट हो गया, प्रेसिपिटेट हो गया, तो उसे फेंक नहीं देना चाहिए और फेंक नहीं सकते उसे। क्या करने का, उसमें डिस्पर्शन मीडियम जो है उसका, उसमें वो सॉल्वेंट और डिस्पर्शन मीडियम ऐड करने का, फिर से वो मिक्स हो जाते हैं और अगेन दे फॉर्म द कोलाइडल सॉल्यूशन. सो इट इज कॉल्ड एज द रिवर्सिबल सोल्स. दे आर रिवर्सिबल इन नेचर, दे आर रिवर्सिबल सोल. वंस द solution colloidal solution is coagulated, again it is converted into colloidal solution, and that type of the colloidal solutions are called as reversible. सॉल्वेंट में और मीडियम में एंड डिस्पर्स फेज में बहुत एफिनिटी है, अट्रैक्शन है, सो दे कैन नॉट बी इजीली कोएगुलेटेड, दे कैन नॉट बी इजीली सेपरेटेड, सो दे कांट इजीली कोएगुलेटेड एंड दीज आर स्टेबल. यू सी example, that is the gum solution are reversible, starch solutions are reversible, that is protein solutions are reversible, they are lyophilic colloid. Second type of colloidal solutions are lyophobic. Lyophobic sols or lyophobic colloids. Lyophobic colloids. So these, in this case similarly, lyo means what, that is the solvent or medium, and phobic means heating. Phobic means what, that is the heating, hate means repulsion. What, that is the phobic means what, that is the phobic means what, that is the repulsion. And in this repulsion there is what, that is the solvent heating. So these are the colloidal solution in which there is no greater affinity between the dispersed phase and dispersion medium, so they are called as the solvent heating or lyophobic colloids. They are known as the lyophobic colloid. मीडियम में और डिस्पर्स फेज के जो पार्टिकल्स हैं उसमें ज्यादा अट्रैक्शन नहीं है, और ज्यादा अट्रैक्शन न होने के कारण वो सॉल्वेंट यानी कि डिस्पर्शन मीडियम को हेट करते हैं. फोबिक यानी कि हेटिंग, रिपल्शन, सो देयरफॉर दे आर कॉल्ड एज द lyophobic colloid. These solutions are easily coagulated. They are easily coagulated or precipitated. Coagulation यानी क्या? All the colloidal particles present in solution are separated from that medium or from the colloidal solution and forms the precipitate. So they are easily coagulated as there is no greater affinity between the dispersed phase and dispersion medium. As well as here, these are irreversible. These are what, that is the irreversible colloidal solution. Once the solution coagulated, again that solutions cannot be converted into the colloidal solution. अगर एक बार वो colloidal solution coagulate हो गया, प्रेसिपिटेट फॉर्म हो गया, तो फिर से उसे मीडियम में मिक्स करके भी कोलाइडल सॉल्यूशन नहीं प्राप्त कर सकते. सो दैट इज द इरिवर्सिबल कोलाइडल सॉल्यूशन. फॉर एग्जांपल यू सी what that is the metal sols like the gold sol, silver sols are lyophobic sol, as well as the sols of aluminum hydroxide, ferric hydroxide are lyophobic colloids, so this is nothing but the colloidal solutions based on the interaction or affinity between the dispersed phase and dispersion medium. So lyophilic means solvent flowing, solvent attracting, and lyophobic means solvent heating, solvent repulsion. So these are reversible sols, irreversible sols. Here once the sol coagulated, again it converted into colloidal solution. Once the sol coagulated, again it cannot be converted into colloidal solution. And examples also you have to remember. So this is nothing but the type of colloidal solutions on the basis of physical state of the dispersion medium and dispersed phase, and this is the classification of colloidal solution on the basis of interaction between the dispersed phase and dispersion medium. In the next lecture we will study the classification of colloidal solution on the basis of molecular size of the colloidal particles. Okay.